Mini PCs are a fantastic alternative to traditional desktop computers, especially when it comes to tasks that don't require very powerful equipment. They are an exciting option for users looking to browse the internet, perform basic office tasks, and, above all, have a multimedia center. This is why it isn't surprising to see that most computer manufacturers include these devices in their catalogs. To ensure that you're buying the best mini PC, we've spent a good amount of time testing each of the items in the product table below, making a comparison. Throughout our video, we will tell you everything you need to know about these affordable computers. If you need any product in this video, the links of the products are given below in description. Number 3. Blackvue Mp60 Mini PC. The Blackvue Mp60 Mini PC is a powerful and compact computer that measures only 5x5 in by 2.1 in. It features an Intel Celeron processor N5095, 8GB DDR4 RAM, and 256GB M2 SSD, with the ability to expand storage up to 2 TB. It comes with a VESA bracket for easy mounting on the back of a monitor, saving space on your desktop. The Mini PC has multiple ports, including USB 2.0, 3.0, HDMI, Ethernet, DC jack, and audio, making it easy to connect to a variety of devices. With 4K dual-screen display support, this Mini PC is perfect for gaming, editing graphics, and browsing the internet. Number 2. Kmr UI Alaska 1 Pro Mini PC. If you're wondering why your workspace setup isn't meeting your needs, it's because you don't have one of the Kmr UI Alaska 1 Pro Mini PC. A cool fan designed for maximum heat dissipation. Tap into faster Wi-Fi speeds with the 2.4G plus 5G dual-band Wi-Fi. Connect your favorite devices with a wide range of ports and slots built in. Complete daily tasks with an impressively small PC you can take anywhere. Load at rapid speeds with flash storage that's up to 15x faster than regular MSATA hard drives. Whatever a compact size or lightweight becomes to your optimum portable mini PC for the trip. Whether you use it for professional or personal needs, AK1 Pro Mini computer will give you all the power you require. Number 1. Mini PC Intel 10th i7-10710U. The Kmr UI Mini PC is a powerful device that offers an ultra-compact design and mighty performance. The Intel 10th i7-10810U processor, 16GB RAM and 512GB M2 SSD allow for seamless multitasking and the ability to run high-performance operations simultaneously. The Mini PC comes pre-installed with Windows 11 Pro and supports 4K resolution and triple display support, making it an ideal home theater PC. With Wi-Fi 2.4G, 5G and Bluetooth 4.2, stable connection and fast transmission is guaranteed. The Mini PC also comes with a VESA mount, saving space by allowing it to be installed on walls or monitors.